you are using Bybit app, then I must say that Bybit app is not working. And if you have any amount in your Bybit account, and that is the app of Bybit account, so you are not gonna be getting your withdrawal from the app, because the app is totally worse and it is not working. Okay, you can just deposit into the app, but you cannot withdraw to the app. Okay, and I will show you how to withdraw the initial deposit amount, but that is a later point, so wait for that. And you see, I have 60 USDT in my Bybit account, and this is my profit. Okay, this was my profit. I deposited 200 USDT to my this Bybit account. They just allowed me to trade here, and I traded. I just make the profit of 60 USDT, and then suddenly for no reason they just banned my account, and they told me that you have violated the terms and conditions. So they banned and restricted my account. I was unable to withdraw the money. Then I just researched and analyzed the whole system of the Bybit. So I got the point that I can only withdraw my initial deposit amount that I have deposited to Bybit account. So I had deposited 200 USDT to my Bybit account. So I tried to withdraw these 200 USDT, but they did not allow me through this application. Okay, and I will show you. If you come to the application, you will see your amount here, but whenever you try to withdraw, they will say your suspicious activity notice if your account is banned due to terms and conditions of bonus policy. They will show you this interface, and if something else had happened to your account, they will show you some other interface. Okay, so this is my USDT, and if I come here and click on the withdraw button, they just pull me back to this page. Okay, I'm here, click on the USDT to withdraw. Still I'm clicking the withdrawal, but they are pushing back me to this interface and not allowing me to withdraw my initial deposit amount. So what to do? The thing you need to do is just come here to the Google Chrome or any browser that you are using. Okay, and when you come here, you just need to search bybit.com, as you can see over there in the search bar, bybit.com. And whenever you see this page, you have to log into your account using your email and password, and that's so simple. I don't think that is hard, or that is difficult for you. That must be simple for you to log into your account. And whenever you log into your account, you will see this interface. Okay, as you are seeing, like this one. Okay, so you are seeing your all the assets if you have any type of coin. So now let's start how to withdraw your initial deposit amount. Okay, you came here to the browser and searched bybit.com. Now you need to understand 2 points. Okay, before trying to withdraw, you need to understand 2 points. The first point is that if you have deposited 100 USDT to your Bybit account before or after the ban or restriction of your account, then you are only allowed to withdraw that 100 USDT. If you have made any profit from that 100 USDT, you are not allowed to withdraw the profit. You are only allowed to withdraw the 100 USDT. Okay, that's the first point. And the second point is that if you have deposited 100 USDT to your Bybit account, you are only allowed to withdraw USDT. You cannot convert that USDT into any other coin like Tron or Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, or any coin. You cannot withdraw any other coin. You need to withdraw your money in the same coin as you use to deposit into your account. If you have deposited USDT, you must be withdrawing USDT. So okay, you now see here I have 60 USDT in my funding account. That is my profit. I had deposited 200 USDT here into my account. I made the $60 profit, but they banned my account. And why they banned my account? That is just because they are scammers. The Bybit whole system is scam, based on scamming. They will tell you that we offer low fees for trading, but whenever you deposit here and try to make some profit and you succeeded in making profit, then they will ban your account for no reason. Believe me, for no reason. I'm using Bitget, the other crypto exchange, Binance, for almost 5 to 6 years. I'm using these exchanges, okay, but I have never done any mistake, and they have never never done things like that, freezing my account or restricting my account from withdrawal. Why? Because they are fair, and they are running okay. They are just the leading exchanges in the world, okay. So why is this doing this Bybit thing doing this and freezing and banning the accounts? Just because they are scammers. They will tell you that we offer low fees for trading, and whenever you deposit your amount here, they will just ban your account. You will be unable to withdraw your initial deposit, your profit. They will allow you somehow to withdraw your initial deposit, and in most cases they will even not allow you to withdraw your initial deposit amount. Okay, so now let's see. I have this USDT, almost 14 USDT and 343 Tron. So now the point I want to show, make it clear to you that this is my profit, so I'm unable to withdraw. But if you have the initial deposit and your original money in your account, then this is how you can withdraw your initial deposit amount, okay. You must be selecting the same coin in which you deposited to your Bybit account. If you deposited TRX, you must be using TRX to withdraw. If you use USDT, you must be using USDT to withdraw. Okay, that is so simple. Maybe that is now clear to you. Okay, the coin must be the same, and after that you must be putting your address that you want to withdraw to. It does not matter if it is different or not, but you need to just put a wallet address, the chain type, and the main point is that the amount must be the same to the amount you use to deposit to the account. If you deposited 300 Tron and now you have 343 in your account, then you are not allowed to withdraw the 343 Tron. You are just allowed to withdraw the 300. Okay, so you will be just entering 300, and after that clicking on the withdrawal, and you will click on the submit button. So you will get your initial deposit amount back. And why this withdrawal failed? Because I have already withdrawn my initial deposit amount, which was almost 200, and I will show you that in the withdrawal and the deposit history. Okay, it's not that much big problem. Let me select 180 day. You will see this is the deposit and withdrawal history point. So you need to just select the all button, and you will now see your all deposit history and withdrawal history. You must check if your deposit history matches the withdrawal history. If your deposit and withdrawal history is the same, then you must know that the remaining amount in your account is just your profit that you have made, okay, and that is unwithdrawable. You cannot withdraw this amount, okay. You cannot withdraw this amount, okay. So you now see this is all the deposit amounts I have done to my Bybit account. You can see 7.45 dot and 101 in Matic. So now let's go to withdraw 7 dot and 101 Matic. And if you, let's see here, if how many dots I have withdrawn from here. So you now see here is the dot withdrawal 5.1 and 1.6, that is almost 6.7, and the remaining must be there in my Bybit account because I was unable to make withdrawal because that was the it was lesser than the required amount of withdrawal. Okay, but almost that is a 7 dots that I have withdrawn, so my deposit amount is matching to the withdrawal. And let's count the Matic. So I had deposited 101 Matic to my Bybit account, and now here you see 7 to 10 17 and 58, almost 75, and 9 up you see 84 and 16, that is almost 100 Matics that I have withdrawn. You can calculate it by yourself from here. Okay, these all are my Matic withdrawals. So that was the point that I wanted to show you, and I wanted to make it clear for you that you can only withdraw your initial deposit amount in case your account is banned or restricted. Okay, and for the new user that are just reviewing this video for that are watching this video for the review of Bybit, I will definitely suggest you not to use Bybit for any purpose. Bybit is a scam. You cannot use Bybit for trading. They will just waste your time, and whenever you make some profit, they will not allow you to withdraw your profit. And in many cases, they will just ban your account or restrict your account, and you will